PRP0749 is a clip removal tool. It's used to remove the spring clip on crank arms for windows or for the door handles. It has two different ends. One end here is to remove the clip, the other end is to put the clip back on. You'll need to find out the opening of the clip, and you come by with the clip tool tight against your crank arm. And you're going to want to keep your hand close by because the clip's probably going to fly out at you. So I have the clip out, and now you can remove the crank arm. Now we're going to put the spring clip back into the crank arm. So that's what this end is for. It should hold it for you. Make sure you have the crank arm positioned in such a way that you want it. And you need to come through. There's only one way to put it on. Make sure it's secured. Come from the back. And push it on. You're done.
You